Hey there, just wanted to begin to share the process of using Smart Learning Suite Online to deliver live lessons. Now, you have a whole playlist on using Smart Learning Suite to deliver student-led or student packets, student-paced activities that students can access digitally, either through a link that you've emailed or through Google Classroom or whatever LMS you're using. Now we want to focus on how do you deliver a lesson live for any amount of time that you are with your students, whether you're doing an hour a day office hour or an hour a week, or whether you're doing live instruction for multiple hours a day. So I'm going to start at hellosmart.com. This is my teacher dashboard. You can see I have a ton of lessons here. And simply the way that you begin is having your students log on to hellosmart.com and joining your class. So your class ID is at the top of the page. I'm going to open an incognito window to mimic the student experience. So an incognito window allows me to access it as if I'm not already logged in. You'll see your kiddos, just to open a web browser, they go to hellosmart.com. Now you have a couple of options here. Your students can sign in, and if they sign in, they can go back and access that work at a later time. If they join as a guest, they only have access to that work while you're delivering it live. So up to you how you want them to join. If you want them to sign in, they can access that work at a later time and add more to it, engage with it more deeply. Or if they join as a guest, they have access to it while you're delivering it live. So they simply put in your code. My code is 986826. They click next. They add their name and join. And what you're going to see at first is your students have a message that says, hey, waiting on your teacher to start the lesson. And then if I minimize and go back to my teacher dashboard, you can see I have several lessons here. As soon as I click start on whichever lesson I want to deliver, you'll see it starts to load. And then if I open up my screen page, my student screen, exactly what I'm sharing from my teacher dashboard is what my students can see. Now in the next video, we're going to talk more about how can students interact with the content that you're sharing.